Hi guys, I just wanted to do a brief YouTube video on the Canada front page critical assignment. This is one of the examples that we're looking at from last year. You see it has a title of the newspaper, like a distribution date, your person's name, and it has 5 articles. All of the information is right on the front of the article. Notice that it has a map with the items labeled that should be labeled and a clip art or picture for each one of the articles. Now, if I were to zoom up close, Separatist Dies, that's the title of one of hers. I'm assuming that's probably for the history article. Let's see, Tour Company Opens Downtown. That looks like it's going to be about the geography article. Let's see. What you need to know to vote. Okay, that's got government and economics in there. Canada Museum opening exhibits. That's another part of the probably history article there. I'm just kind of guessing looking at these titles. And then, oh, that's got like a reflection there. This looks like environmental concerns in our area. So that would be our environmental issues article. This is an excellent newspaper assignment. This student looks like it printed it out on large pieces of paper. You could actually print it out on normal 8.5 by 11 sizes and tape it together. Any of that would be fine. This is another great example. This was a student from last year as well, Lexi Greer. This is a fantastic example, and you'll see it has the newspaper title, the issue date, for student's name. Now, this is really neat what this student did. She hand drew the map and hand labeled it and then scanned it in and copied it so that she could have basically an electronic version of her hand drawing and just kind of sized it as needed. These articles have a lot of information in it. In her example, this is probably a perfect example here. I'm just going to kind of zoom in on some of her titles just to kind of give you an idea of how they're setting it up. Let's see, Prime Minister and NAFTA representatives address Canadian citizens. That's great. Okay, local Canadian economists focus on the environmental issues that Canada faces in order to bring awareness to its citizens. What a great title for an environmental issues article. Local French-Canadian man writes a book describing his life and fight for freedom as a man of Quebec. Okay, Quebec independence. That would be a fantastic way to present that article. Let's see. Broadway show based on the history of Canada. Very good history article title. You can, just by looking at the titles, you know exactly which one of the article requirements it's going to hit. All right, man hikes through Canada and sails the St. Lawrence River. Obviously, that would be the geography article. So I hope this gives you just some kind of ideas for a starting point for this critical assignment. It is due that first week of December, December 5th or 6th. I don't have a rubric right in front of me. But your child does have a rubric, and it has the things that should be included in each one of the articles, including the map and a clip art for each one. Each article has a title, and their newspaper article would have the required elements in it. Now, notice that this piece of paper, it looks like it's, I don't know, maybe 11 by 18 or something, so a bit larger than the average 8.5 by 11 piece. But you could always print it out on 2 and tape it together. That's fine with me. These are kind of reflecting the light because I kept these and laminated them. You do not have to laminate them before turning them in. Either one is fine. So anyway, hope this helps. Have a great Thanksgiving break.